Hey guys! Super excited ako kasi I'm officially inviting you to the Wonderful Moments Music Festival 2026. Imagine this, isang stage, isang weekend, 2 araw ng pure P-pop and OPM greatness. Day 1 pa lang, grabe na ang line-up. Tapos paglipat ng day 2, mas lalong solid. Ibang level ulit, ibang energy, ibang pasabog. Grabe, parang panaginip makita yung ganong klaseng lineup in real life. Yung tipong bawat performance, walang tapon, bawat kanta, sabayan, bawat moment, goosebumps! As in, pasabog yung lineup ha. Iba't ibang vibes, iba't ibang generations, pero isang solid na music experience lang ang labas. Kung fan ka ng P-pop, OPM, or both, this festival is for you. At syempre, hindi lang music to. Balita ko, ang daming activities, interactive booths, experiences, at surprises na sulit from day 1 hanggang day 2. Minsan lang to, kaya wag na wag natin palalampasin. Wonderful Moments Music Festival 2026, SMDC Festival Grounds, from February 7 to 8, 2026. Tickets are available now via SM Tickets Online and SM Tickets outlets nationwide. And wait! Ito na yung pinaka-exciting part. May buy one, take one promo sila. Yes, you heard it right. 2 na kayo, isang ticket lang. Perfect for barkada dates, jowa moments, or family music bonding. Sobrang sulit, sobrang steal, sobrang sayang pag pinalampas. Click nyo na yung link sa baba para makakuha kayo ng tickets bago pa maubos. Kita-kits tayo and let's create wonderful moments together. #WonderfulMoments2026